Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can set the language in the Avianca application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then click on the My Profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the Settings section, click on the Language button. And as you can see, there are two options that you can choose from, Spanish or English. So just click on the one that you want to use and then click on the Save button to set the language. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.